Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about keywords, part of programming in C course. In the C programming language, keywords are predefined, reserved words that have special meaning to the compiler. They cannot be used as identifiers, such as variables or function names, and are used to perform specific tasks in the program. Some examples of keyword include int, used to define a variable of integer type. Char, used to define a variable of character type. While, used to create a loop that continues to execute as long as a given condition is true. If, used to perform a conditional check and execute a block of code if the condition is true. Return, used to exit a function and return a value to the calling function. Void, used to indicate that a function or pointer does not return a value. Const, used to indicate that a variable's value cannot be modified. Static, used to indicate that a variable or function has a fixed memory location. Struct, used to define a structure. Enum, used to define an enumerated type. These are just a few examples of the many keywords available in C. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.